Hey, this is Kristen with Collision Hub, and we are back at the AASP Northeast Trade Show, and we've taken just a little bit of time to talk to Charles, the director of AASP, about some of the benefits of the association for companies and shops in the area. Thanks for taking the time. I know you got a ton of members around wanting to get some attention and get their voices and stuff heard. So,
thank you for taking the time to interview us. As far as joining the association, the benefits of joining, one of the greatest things that we do, we have a hotline to help our members when they run into different types of problems and everything. And it's been going for probably, between the other associations prior to it, 18 years. It's unique. We have a hit and run assistance program that we run for the police to help them first identify and then locate vehicles that are involved in hit and run accidents and things like that. It's a great program that helps people. We've got a labor pool where we place people in the industry. But the best thing that people get out of joining the association is the camaraderie. Dealing with their other members, a lot of time they'd be at a meeting and have a problem, and they see a guy at a table that says, you know, I had that last week, and here's what we did to solve that problem. So it's...
Now, you guys always open the show with something, you know, kind of a similar benefit for that, your leadership conference. Yes. And that's those guys getting around the table and talking about industry issues and trying to move things forward.
Yes, we do. And this year was a very unique leadership meeting. A little different feeling was in the air this time. Our industry, as everybody knows, has been down because of the work and things like that. The industry is also, I talked to one of our good members not too long ago, and he said to me, it just didn't seem he was very happy. And I just assumed it was because he was slow. I said, what's the matter? Things are slow? And he says, no, we're actually not slow, we're just not making any money. And at that leaders meeting, it seems like a lot of people have run into that same kind of situation, and they're taking some action across the country that is making a difference here. And it was great to see things are similar all over the country. But it looks like the tide's about to change.
Right. So you guys work to help shops through not just maybe, and I think we take traditionally associations are going to help me with my legal issues or steering issues or helping me with the insurance commissioner, but the association works to help shops to help them with their everyday business needs.
Everything. I've run a hotline so long that sometimes our members will call me and say, Charlie, I need a garage door. Where do I get it from? It's really amazing that we create that relationship. And I had a fellow ask me here yesterday, you know, tell me one thing that you could help us do. And we're very proud of what we did with our Department of Insurance on the paint material issue. We've had the department issue a bulletin telling the insurance companies that the traditional method of calculating the cost of paint materials is antiquated, it's outdated, it's recessive, it doesn't work, and suggesting that they use a paint material cost accounting program. But ultimately, in the bottom of the bulletin that was issued in 2007, it says that the insurer must be able to justify their allowance, and you just can't justify a dollar figure for paint out because of the variances in color. You know, a pint of white could cost $30 and a pint of red $300.
Yeah.
So it doesn't work. We have pushed that very strong in the state of New Jersey, and we just started pushing again, and it's working, and it's making a big difference for those fellows that are depressed because they're not making any money. They need to take advantage of our association. We also have other programs like paychecks and credit card processing programs, things that they can get a discount on their insurance. We have a dividend program with the Motto Agency to get a discount on their garage insurance and other workers' comp insurance and things like that. And just a ton of reasons to belong. I have trouble finding reasons why somebody wouldn't belong.
Right.
To be honest.
Right. You know, and it's so key for associations, for you guys in the shops that you're out there day to day dealing with issues. The most important thing you can do is speak with one voice. And I'll think back about my insurance days and being in that side of the industry. We spoke with one voice, and that's what we used PCI for. So they address the issues that concern the insurer. And your local associations like AASP are your single voice. So supporting them, making sure that they've got the necessary back support, information, and resources to go out there and be your voice is what makes a difference in the industry. And you see that with things like, you know, the resolutions.
We also have allied members, not just collision members or mechanical members. We have allied members like like the people that are here, and I would like to offer anybody the opportunity to come along and join our association. And then sometimes if we have our meetings, we can have them come out and do an individual meeting to show their product or service that they supply as well.
That's great. The companies that support the shops are as vital as the shops doing the work, so we have to have that all together. So be sure to go on the website, learn more about AASP. And if you're in New Jersey, learn about the market here, but there are other branches around the country. Learn about the associations and what they're doing to help you improve your business and how you can help them be more effective for you. So stay tuned. We're going to be back with a little bit more closing, and we still got Hub Talk coming up live on Sunday on the close. Thanks.